Hi guys, NCWQ here, and I got some good news. Was just rummaging through EMSC and found out that the search for earthquakes and KML has been fixed. Not sure when, but I just found it, and you can now search areas. So if you see here, it says region name. I've already been looking at a few. Let's put in Las Vegas because I've already put some on here and press that search button. You can see the ones that have come up for today, which were a 2.0, a 2.0, a 3.1, a 2.0, and a 2.9. Now they have it on here. You can export it as a KML or as a CSV. So when I do this, it will open up on my Google Earth, and you can go over here after you've uploaded it to your Google Earth, go to properties. You have a box that looks like this. You go to style and color, share style. Actually, I want to share a style, so I'm going to go to description, share style. What am I doing? Because this is not okay. Um, this one is not loading for me. Hang on a minute. Cancel. I'm going to do this differently. Save, but I'm going to close that, reopen my Google Earth because it was having an issue for a minute. Close. Okay, let's try this again. Properties. And I should be able to do a color here. Okay, so the color I want is yellow. Okay, I want an icon. So I want an icon. Okay, so now when we look, we can see all the EMSC. These are all of the ones for Nevada. It just downloaded all of them, so it downloaded all the ones that were not for today because I didn't put in the date. So let's delete this. We're going to delete this, and I'm going to show you how to fix that because I did this wrong. So I'm going to put in just for today, 26, 26. Okay, search. And you can see this is just for today. So I'm going to export that as a KML. And I'm going to do this again. Properties, style, color, style. And then I'm going to do it this way. Yellow. Okay. Okay. So now you can see where these earthquakes occurred today. Here, 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 and here. So that's how you would search them and put them on Google Earth so that you can look at and observe the areas where the earthquakes have occurred. And I'm finding it neat to have this thing back again. Let's see if we can find any other areas. When you want to look, you just reset. Let's look at Nicaragua. Okay, I want Nicaragua because there's been a lot of earthquakes that have been occurring here. So let's do a search. We're going to do it for today. We're going to do a search. We can see that they have had a 2.5, a 2.5, a 2.7, a 2.6, 2.7, a 3.0, a 2.5, 2.7, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.6, 3.0, and 2.6. Now, if I'm correct, let's go back about, let's go back about a week, and I want to look and see if they've had any big quakes. Okay, we're going to look for sixes. We're going to look for sevens. Actually, I'm going to put it in the magnitude of 7. And nothing showed up there, so we're going to go down. Okay, so not showing anything has happened. Oh, that was for minimum. Duh, I'm good here. Wait a minute. We're doing all the way up to an 8. Okay, there we go. Nothing. So we're not showing anything big that has happened, but we are showing that they are having a swarm that is ongoing. Okay, so let's look California. Now I've already looked at the California area once, so I'm going to delete that. Delete that. We're just looking for the 26th. And this is today. 2.2, 2.2, 2.0, 2.0, 2.4, 2.6, 2.2, 2.4, and 2.7. Okay, I want to see Oregon because Oregon has had an earthquake today. So let's look Oregon. So Oregon, offshore Oregon, close to Oregon, Newberry, Mount Hood, Crater, Portland, Three Sisters. Send checked. We're looking for today. And we search. They had a 3.9 off the coast of Oregon. Let's go look. All right. So this was off the coast of Oregon. This was hitting on the Juan de Fuca, Pacific Juan de Fuca. It's a transformed boundary. This area moves at 39 millimeters per year. This is 49 millimeters per year this way, and 48 millimeters per year this way. Alrighty then, you guys. I just thought that would be interesting to do a real quick video, show y'all that EMSC is now able to search for earthquakes. I hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are safe, enjoying your day. Please remember to check out my fundraiser located below the video and help me if you can. Only if you can. Anyways, you guys, much love, God bless, and I hope y'all have a great day.